Tuesday, July 11th, and we have finally been discharged, which is what they probably, what is what they told us, what this, I can't get it out, which is what they told us it'll probably be anyway too, so. Yeah. Heart is going home.
I want to put her in a cute outfit, y'all, but she can't fit it. Her too small.
Both works. Yeah. So I picked up. I ain't vlogged yesterday when I left, but I had to go and pick up this seat. So I picked this up yesterday, and we about to put her in it and roll this junk down the steps. I ain't know. I forgot how it went. I'll do it when I get down there. But yeah, man, for now. Load up and we at this junk. Headed to the crib. What we waiting on? We waiting on something else? Well, let me go ahead and load up so we can be ready if they do come back. Yep, so wheeling this stuff up, man. Going to get the car. All these bags and stuff down. They're gonna wheel her out. So yeah, leaving up out of here, man. About to go home. Kick it.
Oh, I ain't seen you like this in a minute, huh? A little flat. Drop a little extra weight on.
Hit it out. Hit it out. Let's see what my mama doing real quick. You feel like you up for that? See what my mama doing, and we can go out to the house, man. Y'all done seen the house, so y'all don't gotta see us pull up or nothing like that. None of the cinematics. So y'all jump down in the comments, man, and sell us something to Donnie for me. Sell us something to Ashley for me. And yeah. Get out of here, man. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, all that good stuff. Share, man. Please share. Let somebody know we done had a baby. Oh man. Tell somebody. And yeah, it's your dog, man. Big Beelo. Mr. Ain't Man himself. Catch y'all in the next one. Yo, nation, what it do? And as y'all can see, I have not cleaned out the man cave, man, at all. But I need to go ahead and start doing it. I really do. You know what I'm saying? But that ain't what this video. This ain't what this video is about. Like I gotta get. I do have to get a lot of stuff for the man cave. You know what I'm saying? I need a new door. We're gonna do a door with the windows in it. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna leave this door the way it is. But door with the windows in it. I kind of want the door with the, you can pull the string and the blinds like inside of the glass. And you can, you know what I'm saying, just, you know, adjust it and open it and close it how you want to. Of course, we got to get the ventilation that's gonna go back here. That's gonna roll. But anyway, it's a lot that gotta be done. But anyway, man, this is not that. This video here is what the people wanna see, man. This video is about MayRose. Yes, sir. So let's go out here in the garage, man. Let's talk about it for a minute. We really ain't gotta do too much talking about it, but I talked to my transmission guy, man, after I did that, after I did what he asked me to do, and it didn't work. So, yeah, did that. That didn't work. So I talked to him. He told me, yeah, go ahead, pull the trans. What's this? What that is? He told me to go ahead and pull the trans, man, and yeah, bring it to him. So waiting on Pops to call me back. Man, I ought to wash my car, man, but I'm not. I'm just not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it, man. I'm not. Man, I ain't gonna do it. But yeah, man. I'm going to get the truck and the trailer, and we're going to run the Chevy down to the shop, man. I talked to Kane. Kane said he'll be willing to help me, man, snatch the trans out real quick. Take the Rocco, which Rocco is really right around the corner from my dad's shop, man. So we're gonna do that. And like I said, I don't want to wash this car. I'm not gonna wash this car. But after that, man, we're gonna see what we got. Hopefully he, man, say, oh, I found what the problem is. The transmission need this, and that. I went ahead and did that. Blah, blah, blah. Cool. Yeah, that way we can go on squared away, get it done. What else? Yeah, when we get the transmission back, man, then we can move forward with everything else that we got going on. As y'all seen, man, Jazz has my original dash for this car, and he has the back deck, man. So hopefully, if this doesn't do too bad, then yeah, if this doesn't do too bad, then we can go ahead and start working on the back deck and get that dash wrapped, man. And then we're gonna do this thing. We're gonna go ahead and do this thing the way it needs to be done, man. As far as interior wise, we're gonna go ahead and start on the interior, man. So yeah, we it's, I guess we French now, but yeah, man, we finna start working on this old Chevy, man, and try to get her up and running, man. You know what I'm saying? Up and running. Which, if I do get it back and everything is fine, probably still not gonna drive it because I got some other stuff that I need to do, and I know if I start driving it, I'm not gonna do what I need to do. So, got some things going on with the wheels. I need to, what else I need to do? Oh, I need to fix the steering column. Still hadn't fixed the steering column. Need to fix the steering column, man. And maybe, just maybe, we'll get to working on this trunk, man. That would be really, really good to start working on this trunk. Everybody want me to put some sound in there, so yeah. I guess I might explore that. I might explore that realm of the build, man. But yeah. And let me see. We got the trunk. We got the steering column. We got the front, the dash. We got the rear deck. We gotta get that AC, man. AC will be in effect this year. So like I said, I plan on being back out September, October. Rock show is in September. Hopefully I can You know what I'm saying? Get that done real quick. Get some stuff done real quick, man, that I need to do to get back to Rock Show. Get to Rock Show. It's gonna take a lot of money that I ain't got, but you know what I'm saying? We're gonna have to grind, man. Have to grind. Still gotta get. I got stuff to do. And I can't tell y'all. I can't tell y'all what I got going on, because if I tell y'all, then y'all it's gonna almost kind of give away what I'm trying to do. So I ain't gonna give it away, but I'm gonna tell y'all there's gonna be some upgrades, and I'm pretty sure y'all gonna like it, because a few people have said it to me. A few people have said some of these things to me, man. And you know what I'm saying? A few people been just rolling with the bill, like, yeah, man, whatever, however you do it. So yeah, man, we gotta get that done. Still gotta do some things with the Jeep, man. And yeah. So that being said, man, I'm about to go back in here real quick. Wait on Pops to call me when he get done doing what he doing. I gotta go and grab the truck. We'll grab the truck and grab the trailer, and then yeah, I'll be ready to do whatever it is we need to do. So yeah, go in here, man, chill out, do a little more research on some things. I will show y'all this though. Well, no, I ain't gotta show y'all. I can just tell y'all, man, my coil brackets, hold on. I don't like how my coil brackets are positioned. So I seen some coil brackets that they are remote coil brackets. And what they gonna do is, instead of my coils going all the way to the back like that, they gonna sit them kinda in the middle of the valve cover right here. You know what I'm saying? They gonna sit them in the middle. I think they're gonna be standing straight. I think they're gonna be like straight up tight. So I'm gonna do that, and then that way I can put my washer motor back on. I can have windshield wipers, do it on both sides, and I still gotta get another AC bracket, man, because I think this bracket is shot, because it keep throwing my belt up on top of my AC pulley, and I don't like that, because after a while it's gonna start shredding that belt, and that's what happened to me in Texas. So yeah, I need to clean up under here too. I want to get me I want to get rid of this. Right here. I need to get me another coolant reservoir jug, man. Get rid of this, because this kind of look kind of tacky, man, with that. You know what I'm saying? How I just made that work like that. So I'm gonna get rid of that. And I really wish I had room to put my trans cooler under the car, like under there somewhere. And I'm really still trying to figure out a way to do that, because I don't have a lot of metal. Here to do that, you know what I'm saying? Because the trans cooler is so big, I don't have a whole lot of metal to do it. Which right now, it ain't in the way or nothing, so I ain't gonna really trip on it, but that's what I wanna do. So I need to get another coolant jug. I wanna move this. I want everything to just look good, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, look clean, look neat. I want to do a big 3 upgrade on this car. You know what I'm saying? I do want to do that. I might move some of this stuff, man. Sand them fenders down. I can really just clean them though and spot paint them though, and it might be cool if I just did that. I don't know, but I really want to do that though, like clean up under here a little bit and all that good stuff. But yeah, man, those will definitely probably be my next purchase. The remote coil bracket and the AC bracket. The AC bracket is very expensive, so I'm gonna have to see how I'm gonna do that. But I ain't gonna have to see how I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna have to do it. Just simple as that. And I have a slight power steering leak that I just noticed, so I need to do that also. But yeah, for the most part, man, from try to tackle one problem at a time, get MayRose back on the road. So man, y'all stay tuned. Don't y'all leave on me, man. Don't y'all quit on me. Don't y'all give up on me. MayRose is on her way back, man. The baby is here. As I told y'all, that when the baby get here, that's when I'm gonna start back messing with the car. So, bam, here we are. First thing to do, transmission, and then all this other stuff. It's a lot of stuff that I'm thinking about doing, but I'm gonna try to get some stuff out the way that's stopping the car from moving right now. So, transmission is definitely it. Then that AC bracket, I need that as well, because I don't want to break no more belts. But yeah, I'll be back, man, once I get the truck, trailer, all that good stuff, and yeah.